Stopping by, checking out my YouTube channel, checking out my YouTube page, checking out my videos. Today I'm doing an unboxing review. To be honest with you, I've had this probably 6-8 months and just haven't had time to actually do the video or even use it. And I think this would be great for using on my reviews. For doing these recordings, I've been using my laptop, the camera recorder that's on it, which is fine. But as you can see, like there's instances like I can't wear my glasses because I'm constantly getting that glare. So sometimes you see me looking at things while I'm reading stuff, I'm squinting away. It's because I'm blind without them. So, and with everyone uploading these videos in 4K and whatnot, I wanted to step my game up and make a higher quality video and being able to, instead of moving my screen like this when I want to show something, to actually be able to just focus on what the video is on. And since I had GoPro anyways, utilize it. It's really expensive, so the more I get usage out of it, the better that money was spent. So this is an accessory for your GoPro. So here goes. Here she is. It's the Joby, I hope I'm pronouncing it correctly, 3K kit, the Gorillapod. Okay, so a lot of people use these are photographers, but it's perfect for the GoPro. So there's a lot of different accessories that you'd want to use on your GoPro. See what I mean? That's just one of the things that I'm screwing around with my laptop, moving around. So far I've done well, but the glare and all that. So I want to step my game up. So here it goes. So without further ado, let's open this box up. Take a little bit there. There it is. There's not much to it. It's kind of can fold in any way, shape, or form. This is what's cool about it, If you're gonna stand this up, you can put this any way that makes sense so that you can do your recording. If you're outside and you want to do a recording, you can actually put this around a fence post. It's around your arm. It's literally, you can bend it any which way. And each one of these you can bend. So that's really cool. So if I want to, instead of using this and keep going like this, I could put my GoPro on there and set this a little farther back. Whoa, hold on. See, this is what I'm talking about. Can't see the whole thing. So there you go. So it has a little built-in level right here, so you'd know if your recordings are straight or not. So let me see. It has a little knob right here, so you can adjust this guy here any which way. It also does have some little lines right there. So let me see. You see those? So you can adjust it and turn it. You can, maybe get it dialed into where you think is straight. So yeah, and but here's the thing. Okay, so let me just get this what I think is straight. So here you go, here you go, there you go, it's straight. Okay, and then now they look at your level and you say, oh crap, that's not straight at all. So that's the cool part about the level. You can work with this, and then you can also move this. So I'm going to get this as level as possible. Alright, and then that's a little level in there. So when I set it down here, it does show that it's level. Okay, so, and then you can definitely use this for a GoPro. One problem though, it's for a camera. See that screw there? So what do? That sucks, right? How are you supposed to attach this to this without using some double-sided sticky tape or something? This guy right here. Sub-TIG. Pick these up on Amazon. They call them sub-TIG tripod mounting adapters. So let's open these up. I guess this is an unboxing for these as well. This is an unboxing portion for the sub-TIG tripod mount adapters. Okay, so what you can do with these is attach them to a tripod like this. Let's open these up. Can't remember the price. They're fairly inexpensive. Looks like it came with 3 adapters and just 1 screw on. So here you go. So now you have the option. You want to take your camera. How do you want to attach to your tripod? Well, I have the waterproof case. So let's just say you're near water or anything. You can put it in there, right? It'll be in there. So if you're near the ocean or you're on your boat and you want to set this on the, the boat while you're fishing, you can use your waterproof. If you're not near any water, you can just use your standard mount and mount that. So this is what I'm going to use now for these purposes. So here it goes. Let's just show how easy this can be set up. Back this up a little. Alright, so I'm going to take my camera. I'm going to set it in here. Go ahead and latch it. Alright, now I'm all latched up. Still got this mount here. Oh, this does come out. You just press this, pulls out. But, like I said, the GoPro attachments will not fit in there. So, this is what this is made for. Go ahead and leave the attachment they give you in there. It's cool because it has a level and all that. That'll definitely help you keep the camera straight. You don't want to do a 30-minute video the whole time you're like this. That sucks. The whole video is crooked. So, there's that. Alright, now I'm going to go ahead and take this and I'm going to screw it in. Alright, now you notice when it's screwed in, this was not straight. Alright, it's crooked. I want it like this. So what do? You just loosen this guy and you spin it. Make it straight. No big deal. And then just line her up where you want her. No big deal. So I can go to the line on the bottom, line that up. They do have like it looks like every quarter it's divided. They have a darker line, so it helps you line that up. So you can line that up there on the darker one. Then I'll loosen this and line this guy up. I'm going to use my level. Okay. My level. So then I want to see if I could snug it a little more if possible. Yeah, I'm going to have to spin it. So I'm going to spin it slightly. Let me see something here. Alright, so what I could do is on the bottom it has a flathead screw. So if I wanted that to line up straight, since it's actually cockeyed, I could just spin that on the bottom. So let me grab a screwdriver real quick here. Couldn't find a screwdriver, so I did what every man does that their wife yells at them for. I grabbed a butter knife. Why are you using the silverware? So I'm just going to go ahead and loosen up the screw on the bottom there. And then I can take that and turn that straight. Now when this is straight, the bottom's straight. So then the camera's straight on, and now I can use the level to make sure that's level when I'm doing that, and the camera will be straight when that's straight. So nice. So go ahead and clip this back in. Shows I'm level. Clip it on. Now I'm going to go ahead and screw her in. Perfect. Wish I'd have done this a long time ago. Like I said, it was something that I saw. I don't remember the price. I bought it at Best Buy. So I'll put it in the I'll look it up and add what it was. But I've been watching it for a while. to be honest with you, is kind of expensive. With the Pro, it's kind of like an addiction, right? Because you start off really cheap, and then you start finding all these accessories, and you're like, I want that, 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 I want that. And slowly but surely, with a couple $100 camera, you have more accessories than the camera itself costs. Don't tell your wife that. But oh, if you're a woman watching this, don't tell your husband that. You know. But yeah, so I think it's awesome. I think it's totally worth it. You know, the fact that you can just kind of set it now. Like I said, instead of me doing this with my camera on my monitor, I'm setting this up to make my videos from now on. I think this is going to come in handy big time. Not just necessarily for people who are on YouTube or making those kind of videos, just videos in general. You know, you're want to videotape your fishing on a trip. You know, you can set this down. You know, and then you can use all your accessories that you had with your GoPro. You know, by just screwing this bad boy in there. You know, you want to go on your jet ski, you can technically wrap this around, you know, your arm. You know, you're filming out in the country, wrap it around a post, whatever. You know, you just want to bring with you, and you just want to use it as a, you know, hand. You can put it all the way together, you know, and just bring it to you like this. So you're not bringing multiple stands. You know, you can film yourself like this. You know, but a lot of different options. The big thing that I like about this is that you can see if the camera's straight. Make the camera straight, because you can see the lines on there. Where are they? Can you see them? Yeah, you see the lines on there dialed in. You can see the level there. See if you're straight. You're actually making good content video, and the entire video is crooked like this. That's horrible. Or if you're trying to film it with your phone, even if you have a nice phone, good quality, you know, you're still moving around. Or you know, you can't use your hand because you're using the camera on your cell phone to record, so you don't have a free hand. So now you're trying to unbox something, and one hand's filming it, and the other hand using it. I've made too many videos like that. They got some decent reviews, but like I said, I'm taking my channel serious. I'm really trying to step up my game to make this an income. So I think this is going to help me. So whether you're a photographer, you're going to put this on a camera, whether if you want to put this on your GoPro, I say go buy. So, and as you can see, kind of the ideas that they say you can put this on around that. So, you know, pretty much exactly what I said. You know, hold it by your hand, wrap it around a tree, you know. So it has a proprietary ABS plastic sockets, flexible wrapping legs, rubberized feet, and removable bulkhead. So that's it. This is the 3K kit, Gorillapod, by Joby. So I say buy it. And while we're on here really quick, I'll just take a look and I'll see how much it was actually at Best Buy. It could have probably come down in price since I've had it so long, but let me just see. Scanning it right now. Cannot be found. Let me see how much going for on Amazon. All right, on Amazon, the item is going for $79.95. There it is. I think that's pretty much what I paid for it. Yeah, that's pretty much what I paid for it at Best Buy. But like I said, I think it's worth it. You know, because I think that all the adjustments that you have, be able to, you know, turn it, be able to adjust it, and just to be honest with you, just make sure that it's straight. the level built on there and all that. That's phenomenal. That's awesome. I like that idea a lot. You know, so I think that's really awesome. You can really dial in the camera to where you wanted it to. You know, go behind it, take a look at what you're recording, and then say, okay, cool. Turn that bad boy on record, and then go back to it. So, see how it's on there pretty well, sitting. So, and like I said, you got 2 other of these guys here you could use for something else. Comes in this kit here, the Sub Tig. So, and those were only a few bucks on Amazon. So, you only spent $79. And I think it would be cool if they already came with that, but it is what it is. It's a cheap investment to make it adaptable to your GoPro. So, for a must-have accessory for your GoPro, I say is the Gorillapod 3K kit. You gotta have it. Add it in your bag. I have a bag now just for the accessories because I have so many accessories now. So I'll be making more and more videos of GoPro must-have accessories, and I'm adding this to my list of must-have accessories. So go out and purchase it. Thanks for watching. God bless. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Click on the bell so that you can receive notifications of the videos, and look forward to my videos having a higher resolution on a 4K GoPro camera, and without that glare on my dome here. See, hopefully that's it, and I can wear my glasses and I'm not squinting all the time. But like I said, any questions about it, just let me know. I'll post. I always reply to my comments, or I can make another video if you had a question. I'll post in the bottom under the description these little attachments that I found on Amazon, in case you wanted to buy them. And even if you want, I'll post a link where you can buy this bad boy on Amazon. But like I said, I think it's a must-have accessory. So thanks for watching. Until the next time I see you, God bless, brothers and sisters. Have a good one.